In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a discount to email subscribers in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the marketing section and click on it. When it expands, choose automations. This page shows you all of your existing marketing workflows. From the list, find the automation called Welcome New Subscribers with a Discount Email and click it. This will open the automation inside the editor so you can customize it. Inside the editor, look for the second card labeled Activity Name. Under that label, you'll see the activity name, usually something like Welcome Discount. On the right side of that card, you'll see a small square showing a preview of the email automation. Click that preview. A pop-up will appear with an option to edit. Go ahead and click Edit and wait for the email editor to fully load. You won't be able to change anything immediately. First, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Edit again. Shopify will show a warning that editing this email will revert it back to a draft. Confirm this by clicking Continue at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now you're in the full email editor, where you can customize things like the subject line, preview text, and individual email sections. To connect your discount, look at the email preview in the middle of the screen and find the section that displays the discount. Click that section. When you select it, the editing options for that block will appear in the left-hand panel. In that left panel, click Select a Discount, or change if a discount is already attached. You can now pick from your existing discount codes, or you can create a brand new one by choosing Create Discount at the bottom of the panel. This is helpful if you want a subscriber-only offer with a special percentage or expiry date. You can continue editing other parts of the email the same way. Click any section in the preview to see its styling and content options on the left. To change text, just click directly on it in the preview and type your updated content. To remove a section you don't need, select it and click the trash icon that appears on its right side. To rearrange sections, select a section, then hover over the vertical dots on its left, drag it up or down, and drop it where you want it. To add a new section, go to the bottom left of the preview, click Add Section, and choose from the available layouts. When you're happy with your edits and your discount is correctly connected, go to the top right corner and click Set to Active. This will turn your welcome discount email automation on, so new subscribers automatically receive your email with the discount included.